Hey guys, welcome to the 10X Academy. This is your host JR, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to save 40% of your income. Disturbing facts about people in America. 76% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. 62% of Americans have less than $1,000 in their savings. 65% of those 65 and older have less than $25,000 in their retirement. 21% of all Americans have no savings at all. 43% of American households spend more money than they earn. The median income for middle-class households adjusted for inflation has been in decline for 27 years. Median wealth for middle-class households dropped 28% between 2001 and 2013. Middle-class take-home pay for expenses has plummeted to 43% compared to 62% in 1970. 51% of all American workers make less than $30,000 a year. U.S. ranks 19th in the world when it comes to median wealth per adult. This graph shows saving rates by wealth class. As you can see, the bottom 90% barely get by, scraping a few dollars in their savings. The top 10 to 1% usually save anywhere from 10% up to 20%. The top 1%, the wealthy, save up to 40% of their income, a huge drastic difference between them and the bottom 90%. And that's how the wealthy get rich. How to save 40% of your income. Make finances a priority. Money demands attention. Ignore it and it will ignore you. Make finances a priority. Operate like you're under a threat and do everything necessary to produce more income. Your target should be to save 40% of your income. By setting such a lofty target, this will indirectly force you to increase your income to new levels. Keep your expenses constant while your income increases. This will allow you to save bigger percentages of your income. Most people are saving nothing because their saving target is not enough, or they don't make enough money, or both. Finance experts say you should have 3 months of savings. This is wrong. You should have 36 months of money put away. Spending money. Only spend money on investments that give you a guaranteed return. Get rid of everything that costs you anything unless it can produce new income or grow your business or brand. The key points here are to keep your expenses constant or lower. Set your savings targets high. This will force you to increase your income to hit your target. And stack away. Keep saving that money into a sacred account. Never touch that money unless you're going all in a big investment. Well, that's it. That's how you save 40% of your income. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button and smash that like.